Hello dear, Assalamualaikum. This is Hanjula Wajabi, but please call me Jabi because that's my nickname. Today I'm going to give a presentation on counting 30 to 40, 35. So let's get started. 10 plus 10 plus 10. 30. 30 plus 1. 31. 30 plus 2. 42. 32. 30. 30 plus 3. 33. 33. 30 plus 30 plus 4. 34. 30 plus 5. 35. That's all for now.